Hi everyone, it's Rain here from Rain Francis Art. Today I am doing a quick doodle. I'm joining in on my friend Nicole's Friday Face-Off. Every Friday on Nicole's blog, she hosts a blog party called Friday Face-Off with a link widget where you can link up your blog post. The only rule is that your blog post must contain a face, one that you've created in any medium. So I'm going to start now, and I've got a vision in my head and I'm going to see if I can pull it off. Can you figure out where I'm going with this? I watched all the Jurassic Park movies the last week or so. I've seen them so many times. I was thinking of the T-Rex. I don't know if this is actually a T-Rex, but it's some kind of dinosaur. Okay, I didn't put on my bright lights and I'm not teaching technique today. I'm just having some fun here. I put a piece of paper under because I'm going to be using a black Sharpie, and Sharpies sometimes go through the Bristol paper. I'll leave a link in the description below of what I'm using for this, but I'm certainly not teaching anything today. And I will obviously leave a link below for Nicole's blog for Friday Face-Off. Okay, I'm going to fill in the entire dinosaur with black Sharpie and hope I don't run out of ink. I started to do a dinosaur with white charcoal pencils on black art paper, and I was using a blending stump to blend it all, and I had to stop because my hands were killing me. I was out in the garden all day yesterday weeding, and that took a lot out of my hands. So I was having a lot of trouble using the blending stump. So I opted to do this instead. Just an easy Sharpie doodle. And on a much smaller scale. My charcoal dinosaur was a huge 8.5 by 11 on that size page, and it was just too much blending for today. So just want to have a little fun and join in on Nicole's blog post. I love art blog parties. I love them because it challenges you. I host one too every Thursday. It's called Thursday Art Date, and it's on my blog. And I'll leave that in the description below too. And a lot of the people who join in for Friday Face-Off also join in for Thursday Art Date. We have a really nice art community going. And everyone's just so creative, and I love when people share. I love when people share their the links to their blog posts, and it gets your creative juices flowing because everybody has their own style. And when you share that with other people, it gives you ideas of what you can do. I'm going to just fill in the teeth while I'm here. Make sure they're nice and pointy. I'm certainly not going for realism here. Well, realism. Dinosaurs don't exist in our current era. So they can't really be that realistic anyway. When I say I watched the Jurassic Parks, I'm talking about the first three. The ones that came out, was it the 80s and 90s or just the 90s? I don't remember. Those are the ones I like the best. I haven't watched any of the newer ones. I think this little guy is looking very sinister. Ooh, these Sharpie fumes are a little strong here. All right, I'm done. There is my face for Friday Face Off. A little scary dinosaur. I hope you join in on Friday Face Off, my friends. Until next time, bye.